Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a battery, in this case two batteries of this key. This comes with two batteries. It's not a Mercedes-Benz key, it's an old model. It's from the E-Class or a C-Class, doesn't matter, from around 2000 till 2008-9 I think. I'm going to show you how you can change a battery. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more features on different stuff of cars, some tips and tricks on how to reset different menus. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, take out this key. You can take this out by pressing this to the side and this comes out. Then, as you can see, there is a button over here. This button, press this with the key and use your nail or a screwdriver to open this while pressing the gray button inside the key. Once you have done that, you can take this out. And as you can see, it comes with two batteries. Take both of the batteries out. Like this. Have two new batteries in the correct order, of course. This way up. Yes, once you have done that, put the housing back in the key. Put the stick back, and that was it. And that's how you can change the battery for this Mercedes key. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.